In this lesson, we will learn to answer the question, what do you need in Kashmiri? Let's get started. What do you need in Kashmiri is Tsekya Gachi. Tsekya Gachi. And the way you answer it is Megots followed by what you need, or Meguts followed by what you need. Let's take some examples. First one, Megots Megots which means I need water. Second, Megots Bat. Megots Bat, which means I need food. Both these sentences can be made further clear by adding the action you want to do after getting either water or food. So you would say, Megots Chanak Hatra Ab. Megots Chanak Hatra Ab, which means I need water to drink, or Megots Khanak Hatra Bat. Megots Khanak Hatra Bat, which means I need food to eat. Third example, Megots Shanganak Hatra Thoda Jai. I need some place to sleep. Megots Shanganak Hatra Thoda Jai. Speak after me. Megots Shanganak Hatra Thoda Jai. And the last one is Megots Nokri. Megots Nokri. I need a job. Remember, when we used ab or poin and bat, all these three are masculine forms. That is why we said Megots ab, Megots poin, Megots bat. But when we talked about Jai and Nokri, both Jai and Nokri are feminine nouns. Hence we said Megots Jai and Megots Nokri. So if you remember the basic form, Megots followed by the noun, or Megots followed by the noun which is feminine, you can make as many answers as you wish in Kashmiri. All you have to do is brush up all the nouns that we have already released in our channel. That was it in this lesson. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.